Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's look at another question from the Databricks certification exam. Take a breath and focus. Here's the scenario. A data engineer realizes they made a mistake during a daily update to a table. Now, they want to use delta time travel to restore the table to a version that is 3 days old. But when they try to time travel, they are unable to restore the data. Why? Because the data files have already been deleted. And the question asks, which of the following explains why the data files are no longer present? Okay, pause here. This question is not about how to use time travel. It's testing something deeper. It's checking whether you understand what can permanently remove old Delta Lake data files and what can break time travel. That's the real focus. Very quick micro concept. Delta Lake supports time travel by keeping historical data files. But time travel only works as long as those files still exist. Once the files are gone, time travel is gone. That's all the context you need. Now, let's go option by option. Option A. The vacuum command was run on the table. Okay, this is very important. Vacuum physically deletes old data files from storage. Once vacuum removes those files, time travel to that version becomes impossible. So, if vacuum was run with a retention period shorter than 3 days, the files needed for that version are already gone. This option is extremely strong. Keep it in mind. Option B, the time travel command was run on the table. This cannot be the cause. Time travel is a read or restore operation. It does not delete data. It only accesses versions that already exist. So, option B, eliminated. Option C, the delete history command was run on the table. This one is tricky, but here's the key. There is no standard Delta Lake command called delete history, which means this option is simply invalid. Option C, eliminated. Option D, the optimize command was run on the table. Optimize rewrites files to improve performance, but it does not immediately delete historical data needed for time travel. Optimize alone will not break time travel. Option D, eliminated. Option E, the history command was run on the table. History is read only. It only displays table versions. It does not modify or delete anything. Option E, eliminated. All right, let's conclude. After evaluating every option, the correct answer is option A. The vacuum command was run on the table. Now listen carefully. This is a very important exam takeaway. For Databricks exams, remember this rule. Time travel fails only when data files are physically deleted, and the command that deletes files, vacuum. So if you see time travel not working, old versions missing, your brain should immediately say vacuum. This pattern appears again and again in Databricks exams. If this explanation helped you understand why the issue happened and not just pick the answer, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Databricks certification question breakdown.